Hello, it's Willie and Anna with the Garcia Real Estate team bringing you another educational video. Today's video is about what to look for in a real estate agent when you're considering buying or selling a home.
That's right.
Okay, so first things first, you want to hire an area expert. For example, let's say that you're looking to buy out in West LA. The last thing you want to do is hire an agent from, let's say, West Covina, because that agent is not going to understand the geographics of West LA. So you want to hire an area expert that understands the city and the neighborhood that you're looking to buy in. Very important.
That's right.
Additionally, you want to hire a real estate agent that has some experience, because during the buying and selling process, there's a lot of legal documentation that your real estate agent is going to have to interpret to you, and you want to make sure that he does that correctly so that you can understand and sign off the contracts as you go. I would say that your agent should have at least a 2-year minimum of experience, right, Anna?
That's true.
So
Very
remember
true.
that, at least 2 years.
Here's another suggestion we have. Make sure to check out and see if the agent has any local and online reviews, such as Yelp, Zillow, Facebook, or Google. All you do is type in their name, the city they work in, and the information will pop up. These are all great resources for you to check for online agent reviews. Here's another suggestion. Check on the realtor's license status, and you can easily do this by going online to www.dre.ca.gov and make sure their license is in good standing. If there are any real estate violations, you will be able to view them on this site.
Here's another great idea that you should ask your real estate agent. Ask them for references of past clients with phone numbers. It's really important that you pick up the phone and call these past clients and ask them how the experience was. How was the buying experience? How was the selling experience? It's really important. A lot of great things, a lot of good information come out of these conversations, and it'll better prepare you to hire that individual.
That's right.